This is the latest tutorial on how to lock Facebook profile. So if you want to lock your Facebook profile, this is what you need to do. Right here is your Facebook profile homepage. So the first step you need to take is to go to your Facebook profile like this. So if you're already using a professional account, you just need to turn that off. Now if you haven't turned on professional mode on your Facebook account, you can just leave it like that. So if you are using a professional account just as mine, you need to go ahead and click on the three dot icon at the top right corner like this. Once you do that, you are going to see the option of turn professional mode off. So if you click on that like this, you'll be able to see continue. So you just need to go ahead and click on continue and turn it off. So once this is turned off, go ahead and click on close. So once you close it, right here, you just need to refresh the page. Now once you refresh the page, now you're now going to be able to see this option which says here, make your profile private. So you just need to go ahead and click on make your profile private like this. Once you do that, go ahead and click on make private. Once you do that, looking right here, you can see your profile is private. So you can now go ahead and click on OK. Your profile is now private. So this is how simple it is for you to lock your Facebook profile. This is the latest updates. So do well to tell me on the comment section. If you have any question, just ask Daniel on the comment section and I will be there to answer your question. Now meanwhile, hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this video. See you in the next one.